Oh. Alright. Waiter, please. Oh, I thought you had a mustache on. Change your mind. Oh, my Sigma. That's too tempting. She's calling me over. Wait! I have bad aim! What the Sigma? I did somersault. Oh nah, bro. I hate this game. Look at my don't mind that. Move! Oh my Sigma, you're messing me up. Shut up. I'm Sigma. Move! Bro, these people are so fat. Like, I'm not even lying anymore. They're really, really fat and obese. Like, they're American. I'm American. Why did I say that? It's my chance to shine. I'm scared. Is that the... No! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even care. I don't even care. Wait, what the Sigma? Oh my gosh. I found it. What'd you do that for? Move! Oh my gosh, you look so ugly. Oh my gosh. Ew. Ew. Why does it look like that? Move! Oh my gosh, you're so fat. No, I don't mean that. I just stop laughing. No, I just couldn't help myself. You mess up my mental health. What was that bounce? Oh nah, bruh. Yeah. Oh. What was that hitbox? What was that pose too? Why are you so fat? Why are you so obese? You look like... Thank you.